In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use arrow, Ctrl, FN, Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down key combinations in Microsoft Word on a laptop. When you're working in Microsoft Word on a laptop, keyboard shortcuts can help you move around your document and select text much faster. In this tutorial, we'll look at useful combinations using the arrow, Ctrl, Function, Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down keys. Let's start with the arrow keys. You can use the up and down arrow keys to move the cursor between lines, while the left and right arrow keys move the cursor through individual characters. When you hold the Ctrl key and press the left or right arrow key, Word moves the cursor one word at a time instead of moving character by character. This is useful when you need to move quickly through a sentence or paragraph. You can also use Ctrl with the up and down arrow keys to move through your document by paragraphs. This gives you a faster way to navigate longer sections of text. Now let's look at selecting text. Hold the Shift key together with the arrow keys to select text one character or line at a time. You can also hold Ctrl and Shift while pressing the left or right arrow keys to select an entire word at a time. Next is the Home key. Pressing Home moves the cursor to the beginning of the current line. When you hold Ctrl and press Home, Word moves the cursor to the beginning of the entire document. The End key works in the opposite way. Pressing End moves the cursor to the end of the current line. Holding Ctrl and pressing End moves the cursor to the end of the entire document. You can also use Shift with Home or End to select text from the current cursor position to the beginning or end of the line. Now let's look at Page Up and Page Down. Pressing Page Up moves the view upward by approximately one screen, while Page Down moves the view downward by approximately one screen. On many laptops, these keys may be combined with the Function key. If your keyboard does not have separate Page Up, Page Down, Home, or End keys, look for these functions printed on other keys. You may need to hold the FN key together with the corresponding key to use them. These keyboard combinations can make navigating and editing documents much faster, especially when working with long Word files. And that's how you can use arrow, Ctrl, Function, Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down key combinations in Microsoft Word on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,